And as we get Brexit done, we want a closer trading partnership with African nations. Today, CDC has agreed new investments worth £300 million and are committed to invest a further £2 billion in Africa over the next 2 years. And what makes the UK different is our recognition that this huge investment needs to be felt by local communities across the whole of Africa. Everyone must share in prosperity.
We've seen throughout this summit, there's been quite a lot of focus on Nigeria, and I think there's a realization that Nigeria is very much a market and a people that it's worth engaging with. So I think we go away with our stock higher and greater confidence in the country, and of course we hope to see this translated into concrete investment, greater trade between the two countries, but very importantly, greater investment in Nigeria by the British.
It's only when you have contact and you are relating well with the business communities that you can attract investment. And without investment, you cannot generate trade. And when you generate trade, automatically it dovetails to generating employment and engagement in economic activities. That is what it is all about. And I think we've achieved a lot in that regard. The 40 megawatts Dadinko Dam that has already been finished will be commissioned soon by the President. And Gombe State is advancing ahead to provide an industrial park that will attract major investors. So far, we've gotten to a level of understanding and agreeing with development partners, the DFID, the Commonwealth Development Corporation, and other business partners that will come and invest, especially in agro-allied processing and manufacturing.
We are likely now to begin to see a re-engagement that will be beneficial not only for the many African economies, but also for the UK. It means that Nigeria will have a head start in any rebuilding of business and investment relations with the UK. Nigeria can lead the way for other African countries to follow.
At the tertiary level, we are also promoting Enyimba Economic City, and we are looking for companies that can provide infrastructure, both in areas of transportation and in buildings and roads, to match with our desire to do groundbreaking for Enyimba Economic City very, very soon. I'm satisfied and happy that within the first day of this conference that I was able to break through.